Hi everyone! We are now sharing our Manila to Bali Complete Travel Requirements 2023. You have two options to pay travel tax. First, you can pay at the airport. Second, you can pay through online. Just go to their website, Cebu Pacific. Here's the price, 1,620 per person. After paying travel tax, go to the baggage counter to check in your luggage and baggage. So, note po pala, for international flight, kailangan nyo ng at least 5 to 6 hours allotment bago yung pinaka-boarding nyo. And for domestic, 4 to 5 hours allotment naman. Once you're done with the travel tax and check-in baggage, ready nyo na lahat ng immigration requirements nyo.
Ito na nga guys, yung pinaka-abang-abang yung lahat. Ano nga ba yung kwentong immigration ko at ni Allison? Since ito yung pinaka-first international flight namin.
Yung first question sa akin, yung first time ba na sa international travel. Tapos,
so, hinanapan ka rin ng proof or anything?
Hinanapan naman ako, especially picture. So, pinakita ko yung picture. After nun, tinignan na yung documents ko, katulad ng booking confirmation. After nun, chinek kung saan ako nag-work. Yun, sahod. Tatanong talaga nila lahat yun. So, kailangan, ready ka lahat. Yun, ganun yung common question sa akin. Sa'yo, ano yung ganun?
First time mo ba? Ganyan. Siyempre, sagot ko, first time ko for international travel. Then, yung follow-up question niya, siyempre, kung government ka ba or working sa private sector. So, medyo may higpit ng konti, medyo marami ng tanong, pero dapat ready ka lang at confident ka. Ayun. So, yung next question niya, hindi na related dun sa work or ganun. Yung parang tungkol sa mga proof na nag-travel ka talaga. So, pinakita ko, hindi picture, pinakita ko mismo yung YouTube channel natin. Ayun na, dinare-diretso ko na. So, yung sinek-check niya, scroll up, scroll down. Tapos, pinakita niya dun sa nag-check na kanya. So, ayun, okay na, natapakan na. So, let's go na. Yun yung kwentong immigration namin.
Please have your own boarding pass and passport ready for scanning at the gate.
Devices such as laptops, mobile phones, tablets, and any
So, good morning. Time check, 8 o'clock a.m. na dito. Local time, nandito na tayo sa Bali Airport.
Finally, nandito na tayo ngayon sa Denpasar Airport, Bali, Indonesia. So, first step, kailangan natin hanapin yung immigration. Sundan nyo na lang yung signage, marami naman dyan. Then, if you have baggage, after immigration, pwede na kayong dumiretso dun sa pinaka-baggage para makuha nyo yung gamit nyo. After getting your baggage, diretso na kayo dito sa custom declaration to fill up and take a picture of your barcode and don't forget to print it out. Pagka-exit nyo sa custom, dito nyo na makikita yung mga money changer and mga banks for withdrawal. So, we suggest BNI money changer or withdrawal for you. And, meron din ditong mga SIM card we suggest naman itong kulay pula na Telkomsel. So, yung pinaka-price list nila is nandito na rin.
So, update lang guys. Hindi na kami nag-book sa Grab.
Sorry,
Okay. Thank you. Nakipag-negotiate na lang kami dito sa mga driver dito sa may malapit sa airport. So, for 50,000 IDR yung nakuha namin hanggang dun na sa first accommodation namin sa Ubud. So, let's go!
Guys, don't forget to download pala the Gojek app or Grab app for the easiest transportation dito sa Bali, Indonesia.
Quick update guys, dito na kami papunta sa accommodation. Ayun, pag nandito ka talaga sa Bali, magiging instant millionaire ka.